Everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to reset your TikTok password. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. So today's topic, how to reset TikTok password. So when you log into your TikTok, you enter your username, phone number or email address, and then you want to now reset your password. Then first enter your email address and then tap on the next button. And when you come to this page now, you have to tap on forgot password and then choose phone number or email. Now with this email address of your TikTok, you have to tap on reset. Then now you will receive an email address with a code in that email address, so go check your email address. So enter your code and then the code will be verified. Now to reset a password, you have to now enter a new password for your TikTok. So enter the password. Once you have entered the new password, you have to tap on the login button, and therefore your password will be reset in your TikTok account and you can be successfully logged in to your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can mention them in the comment section.